Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart on this final trading session of the week. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in receiving my trading signals, then please scan this QR code which will take you to my website where you can subscribe for a very small joining fee of $29.99. So far this year, we're up 15.2%, outperforming both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. So again, if you would like to participate in this group, just make sure you scan that QR code. Let's start here by looking at the Nasdaq100. The last 3 days, we've now been trading in the red. The futures market at this moment in time is trading towards the downside. We're down 1.3%. It looks highly likely at this point that we are going to probably go and back test a 200-day EMA, which is a typical move that you see. We've broken out of that 0.236 fib area. We've broken above both the 200-day moving average and EMA. We've gone shots to the next target, which was at 0.382 fib area. Now what we're seeing is a typical technical movement where we go and back test the previous resistance as the new support. And this is an area where I do expect buyers to step back in and send us back up towards the monthly swing highs here, up at around 12,800. And then eventually, I do fully anticipate for us to break above the 0.382 fib area to go up to 13,600, where the 0.5 fib area is. If I quickly draw your attention to the S&P 500 chart, we've already tested that 0.5 fib area. And then quickly, if I take you to the Dow Jones chart, we're trading all the way up at that 0.618 fib area. So of course, the Nasdaq 100, as it contains a lot of the big growth names, they have a lot more exposure, negative exposure to when interest rate hikes occur. So that's why we are seeing the Nasdaq 100, not perform anywhere near as well as the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones 30. But when the tide changes, when we have that message from Jerome Powell and he comes out and says that their work is done and that there's going to be no more interest rate hikes, that's when the Nasdaq 100 has to start to play catch up to the Dow Jones 30 and the S&P 500. And you definitely want to be participating in this market for when that does occur. So I like picking up the Nasdaq 100 on these minor corrections that we see throughout the week, because ultimately towards the back end of this year, I do expect that the Nasdaq to be well above 13,000.